May I request sir, I think it by JJ presenting the certificate. A Bachelor of Science in Accountancy student from Notre Dame of the Douglas University, General Santos City, for successfully completing the 600 hours of undergraduate program in the Commission and Audit, Regional Office Number 12, Local Government Audit Sector B, Team 4, with a performance rating of 98 equivalent excellent. So, this certification is issued in completion of the on-the-job training program skills and knowledge effectively in their professional endeavors. Given this 10th day of May 2024, General Santos City signed, Jonah M. is going to serve as State Auditor for Audit Team Leader. This certificate is presented to Gia
Sure. Mali.
Josie, Jossi.
Let's go.
Next, this certificate is presented to Miley.
Ito jacket from Kuya Will.
Pa-jacket si Sir KJ.
A Bachelor of Science in Accountancy student from Den Santos Foundation College Incorporated, General Santos City, for successfully completing the 400 hours of on-the-job program in the Commission and Audit Regional Office, 12 Local Government Audit Sector B, Team 4 with a performance rating of 5.0 equivalent to excellent. This certification is issued in completion of the job training program of Barrow. We have confidence in their abilities and believe they are well prepared to apply the required skills and knowledge effectively in their professional field. Given this 10th day of May 2024 at General Santos City, signed, Jonah M. is going to serve as State Auditor for Audit Team Leader. This certificate is presented to Angelito Rimanasal.
Naka-jacket na.
Bigyan ng jacket eh.
Bigyan ng jacket yan. Okay. Thank you.
This certificate is presented to City Saida. This certificate is presented to Aisley Joyce E.
Wow!
Iba talaga si Joyce ba?
Next, this
Kuya Will, bigyan ng jacket.
Kita piyat ka naman sa showtime mo.
Again, congratulations to our auditor.
Picture mo tanan.
So, please look at your pictures at having pictures at that.
Sota.
Ay, first na lang yung DDU, tapos yung kasaman ka.
Three, two, one. Isa pa. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Phone. Closer. Portrait ko na ako. 3, 2, 1. Isa pa. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Bigyan.
Kaysa mag-picture.
Sila sa ano?
Go. I-portrait lang yan po na ako. 3, 2, 1. Isa pa. 3, 2, 1. One
Ang mura daw
more.
ang low, sila magkatawa daw. Fake laugh. Burger.
Click lang ko din. With everybody. Sikreto ng magkuhan.
Ya, pone Kodak Ben.
Ay, magbaba na ta. Ay, magbaba na ta.
May improve and apply sa mga future work. So besides that, a good relationship and memories na i-cherish na po sa dito namin kinapunan. So, good morning. Thank you so much opportunity, ma'am, sir. So, kasi sa akin mga fellow, ay mga so, sa tanan na ma'am and sir naman, so thank you so much. So, welcome. Thank you for the opportunity. And thank you for the lessons. So, thank you so much for patience and even sa considerations and so on. Welcome. So, thank you and God bless you. Good morning, everyone. So, nakakita na appreciation during our OT days. Like, iba naman nila to whole na gusto na maingon. So, hari siya, kaya appreciation natin siya sa grabe din may kailangan na mag-enter of hours. So, please, person, thank you for taking your time during those times na we need to render overtime hours. And this is for Ma'am Joanna. Thank you, Ma'am.
Go.
Next is, we really appreciate your time during overtime hours long ago. Thank you.
Talk.
all, thank you for the invaluable lessons you shared with us. We will forever cherish the time spent here with all of you, and we will always be grateful for all of your considerations for us. Thank you and God bless you always. To Sir Lady.
May nabay ko na kapal.
Go.
Next person, Sir Ilby.
Wow.
Your kindness means to us, and we hope to work with you again soon.
Wow.
Keep on inspiring people, sir. Wow. Thank you, sir.
Kung napa ko dito.
Okay, go. Okay na.
And last but not the least, dear Mom Jonah, we want to express our sincere gratitude for your gentle guidance and mentorship throughout our internship. Your dedication to molding us into better interns has been truly appreciated. Thank you for your patience, wisdom, for instilling in us valuable skills that will serve us well in our future endeavors. Know that everything that you and your team taught us will be cherished for the rest of our lives. Thank you for your opportunity to be one of your interns. Although our time with each other is short, we are still and will always be grateful for it. Once again, we would like to express our gratitude to everyone at COA Elgas team for accepting us our interns. We hope that this will not be the last time, and we aspire to return as official worker of this institution. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
For the content, okay, go.
Thank you, Mom, for reminding us to love ng parang and to others. Thank you, Mom, sir, for teaching us well and pinapapili niya na excited niya sa COA. Thank you po.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ma'am Sir. Thank you for learnings na antagonism na pwede na pumadala sa future na makasama na feel to. So, ano ba ngayon kayo? Magpadala na definition.
Hello po, afternoon po sa lahat. Actually, before we start our journey na mag-intern po, I expected ko na more on paperworks or something mga related to that. But sa aming first day, wala ko na-expect ko na Pero regardless of the works that we've done here, I appreciated all of the experiences that you participated to us. And most of the time po, even though we have our own classes, but you're still as nice as you were in our first day. So thank you po for everything that you provided to us. Thank you po sa lahat, sa knowledge and wisdom, and sa inyong advices sa among what we are about to do in our future, especially po in our corporate world. Thank you po. So, good morning po. Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. First of all, we all want to thank you all po for accepting us. Although it was the way na nag-apply po kami is parang rush po since parang late na din kami. Thank you po for welcoming us with a warm hug, let's say like that. And as I reminisce po from the first day po, first na po na-meet is si Marlene, which is, namutanang meet kung saan mong himuan kung isod ba. And then, si Marlene na surprise lagi na sa inyo. And surprisingly, Jud, first time po naman na naka-encounter of such documents since syempre mga books lang among makitaan and karon na mo ma-appreciate more ang katong among gina-learn sa school na gina-apply din siya in a real world, in a real setting and maka-affect siya sa mga tao. And naapod me gift sa inyo, hobby. Isa lang na mo, syempre. Ang among token ko is, hoping ko na ma-remind mo sa amo since, ang clue is bilog siya, tapos, tapos, famous siya for the saying that time is gold. Since,
Kaya wala na naghanap ko.
for the past 2 months, ma'am, for the past 50 days, we were able to meet gold-like people like you po. And we're very thankful po na mga kind mo tanan po and we're very willing to teach us kung ano sa dapat ang mga etiquettes na among ma-learn in and thank you po sa patience and sorry po for the things that we've done po na for the mistakes po and thank you for teaching us kindly po in a good way and kanang dili mi ma-hurt good ma'am. Thank you kayo ma'am. Thank you ma'am Che. Thank you sir. Thank you ma'am. Kato lang. Thank you. Yay!
Sayo na lang.
Sir, pag-present din
Hindi ako tutok naman siya, no? Sa paspasan lang naman. Hindi ko rin naman sa ChatGPT. So, una sa tanan, I would like to thank my co-OJTs. Okay, for the past few months, you have been instrumental sa aming work in this office. From creating the audit working papers, itong sa ginapagpapag na ko sa inyo, down to the hapot-hapot sa mga documents, sa bodega. So you have shown dedication and hard work in every task assigned to you. So as you embark on your next steps, may you remember the lessons learned, the challenges overcome, and the bonds formed here in the office. Your internship here in our office is just the beginning of a journey filled with growth, achievement, and success. We are very excited to welcome you in the CPA Profession School. Before I end my speech, I would like to leave you an inspiring lyrics from the girl group Bini.
Dapat sila ako daw na.
Kanta lang niya. Sino bang nagsabi na kailangan kong mauna? Hindi naman ito karera, pwedeng magdahan-dahan sa bawat panibagong umaga, ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di karera. So, yun.
Yay!